Okay guys, let's have a little look at cable, shall we?
Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. I'm going to quickly flick over into cable, just here, and I'm quickly going to put an order in and then leave it, and then at the end I'm going to come back to you because I've got a bit of work to do in the meantime. But what this is an MT5 platform, and as you can see, this is collapsing in heavily right now. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a quick order in, and we're just going to see how well it performs. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting in a sell stop. So that means the order has to come to me in order to trigger. Take profit of 200 points, which is here. Now, what I'm going to be doing is if I step this back slightly, you'll see there's a big gap here, massive gap. Now we've also got a couple of levels running through the middle of it. So I'm initially going to target this level, and I'm just going to leave it. All right, because like I say, I've got a bit of work to do, and I just want to leave this in the background. Now I will trade. That's it. It's triggered in. Now I will stage this backwards somewhat. But at this moment, we're just going to let it run off, and hopefully all will be fine. Okay, so let me just leave that for you. It's a very quick intro to this one. But let's see if it plays out. Okay guys, I'm pretty much done for the day now. What this account is, anybody follows me, you'll know I use my MT5 bull mainly for swings. But I wanted to show you a day trader on MT5 platform as well. Hence why I've done it. But in the process, I've also dropped an almighty clanger, and I'll tell you about that in a second. In fact, I'm so disappointed I'm going to kind of stop trading for the day. It's just one of them things. Anyway, in this setup, if we look at the hourly, you can see that it found its top, and then over the last few hours has been surging down. Now, I recognized this last night, and I killed off, well, basically what I've been holding with this little bad boy here. And it's paid me quite well. And then this morning, before I start resetting for the next major move, I wanted to show you a day trade, which was this. And the premise of this was very simple. We have a surge up, it found its key levels, and it's then pulling back on itself, essentially to fill this gap, which is what we're looking for, and it's doing quite well. And in the process, this is done for the week. I don't need to do anything more with it. It's done. All right, 730. So I am happy with this. However, what I've done this morning is it's one of the stupidest things that I could have ever done. In the wings, I was trading up a 5%ers platform. At the same time, I was doing this. And I put the wrong position size in. I was waiting for the quick bounce on the DAX. And instead of putting sort of like a 10p position in, just like a little micro lot, I put in a full lot on the smallest thing. And I blew the account in about 5 minutes because I didn't watch it. It just... I'm actually so annoyed with myself. It's unbelievable, boys and girls. It is unbelievable because it's a schoolboy error that I should never make. But what I'll say as a lesson is focus is king. It always will be. And if you're looking at something, trade one asset at a time and only look at one asset at a time. Because that's when mistakes come in. Because just went, yeah, it's fine. Switched it off. I'll come back to that in 15 minutes or whatever it was I was doing. Set something up, and then I just heard in the background an email going, boom. I went, oh, what's that? Oh, for fuck's sake. Happens to the best of us. We all make mistakes. And I'll hold my hand up and say I did it. Don't know what to say really, apart from I'm just totally disappointed in myself. So Winky has decided that I must have a holiday. She thinks I'm burnt out beyond belief, and who knows, maybe I will. Moral of the story, always stay focused. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
It's got a whiskey in it. Never mind. Anyway, as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, don't do what I do, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.